Hello friend, today I am going to unboxing Usha ceiling fan. Just I have bought it offline, you can see, and it has 350 RMP speed. And let's see. And these are all accessories, caps, and this is motor, and this is warranty card, 2 years warranty card, and home service also available. So we have to keep it very carefully. So this is bill paper. Now I'm going to unboxing blades. Same color fan I had earlier, so we have to keep it very carefully, and especially blades are very important. So thank you guys.